Hello everyone. Indian boxer Jadmani Singh has advanced to the men's 55 kg final at the Commonwealth Games 2026. He achieved this by defeating Namibia's Philip Pumulo Mutekla Hauseb through a unanimous decision. In the semi-final, this victory ensures that India will secure at least a silver medal in this category. Jadmani's journey in Glasgow has been remarkable, as he entered the semi-final following 3 consecutive 5-0 victories. He maintained his unbeaten streak with a composed performance that led him to the gold medal bout. In the semi-final, Hauseb started strong, showing aggression and landing more punches in the opening round. However, Jadmani finished the round with a series of clean strikes, convincing all 5 judges to award him the round. In the second round, Hauseb again began with intensity, but Jadmani's patience and counter-punching strategy kept him in control. Despite Hauseb's activity, the judges unanimously favored the Indian boxer once more, heading into the final round with a comfortable lead. Jadmani boxed tactically, remaining disciplined and looking for counter-attacks as Hauseb attempted a comeback. Jadmani secured a unanimous decision victory, confirming his place in the men's 55 kg final, where he will face Australia's Jye Dixon. With this win, Jadmani becomes the 5th Indian boxer to reach the finals at the Commonwealth Games 2026. Joining Preeti Pawar, Ankush Panghal, Jasmine Lamboria, and Arundhati Chaudhary in title clashes. So far, India has won a total of 17 medals at the Commonwealth Games 2026, which includes 3 gold, 9 silver, and 5 bronze medals. The gold medals were achieved by Mirabai Chanu in women's 48 kg weightlifting, Sharmila Dhankar in women's shot put F57, and Dilip Gavit in men's 100 meters T47. Silver medals have been claimed by Rishikanta Singh, Muthupandi Raja, Gyaneshwari Yadav, Sarvesh Kushari, Valluri Ajay Babu, Harjinder Kaur, Gulveer Singh, Murli Srishankar, Mohammad Basil, and Lovepreet Singh. Meanwhile, bronze medals were won by Jhandu Kumar, Bindyarani Devi, Shilpa K. Shaila, and Seema Kaliramna. Thanks for watching JMBDD News.